Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into creating a digital garden in Notion, your one-stop solution for knowledge management. First up, open a new page in Notion. Give it a suitable title, like My Digital Garden. The reason we do this is to create a dedicated space for our ideas and insights to grow and interconnect. Now create a table database, where each entry represents an idea or topic. This helps us because it provides a structured way to organize our thoughts and information in a searchable, sortable way. Next up, add some properties to your table. You might consider properties like status, tags, and related notes. These properties are important to track the progress of your ideas, categorize them, and connect related thoughts together. Now that we've done that, it's time to plant our seeds. Create a new entry for each idea or note you want to cultivate. The beauty of Notion is that these entries can be as simple or as complex as you want. They could be a single line of text, a full article, or even a collection of resources. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. With each entry you add, your digital garden grows, forming an interconnected web of ideas that can evolve over time. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review and update your digital garden. This allows your ideas to grow, evolve, and cross-pollinate, fostering a deeper understanding and innovative insights. And that's it. You've planted the seeds of your digital garden in Notion. Remember, a digital garden is not a static thing, but a living, breathing entity that grows with you. Thanks for joining us today, and happy gardening.